This video is demonstrating the basic features of Office 365 and OneDrive. The first place you're going to end up after logging in is your applications. Depending on the plan, you'll see different ones. One of the things that you'll see is OneDrive as one of the applications, and you'll also see sites, which is where Sharepoint sites are located. By setting up OneDrive for Business, you can actually synchronize both your OneDrive as well as your team sites, which would be something akin to a file server. So if I click on my computer and I've already set up those sites, I see SharePoint. Here's my team site that I share with other members of my team in the company, and then OneDrive is my personal space where I can put all my documents and anything that I want to share with others that are in my company. I would put in the shared with everyone folder. Things that they share with me will also automatically show up there. That's the difference between the two, and you can see that everything looks very similar to what a map drive might look like. The only difference is that with OneDrive, all those files are now synced to my computer, so I need to have a larger hard drive and enough space to be able to sync all that data. And then I have the option to then work offline or anywhere remotely. So if I make a change, it's automatically going to be reflected in. So if I take a look at one of these documents, for example, make a small change, when I save this document, it's now going to actually save that and sync it automatically back up to the server. Then when I'm traveling, or if other people need to be able to look at that document, they can go on to the website, or if they're syncing it, it'll show up in their sync folder as well. Then they can go on to the actual site. So here's the site that I just brought up. If you look at the tech support docs here, you can see admin steps. You can see it's already been modified about a minute ago, so it's already up to date. I can double click on edit and double click, and if I've got Office installed, it'll allow me to edit this document directly, or if I don't have it, it'll allow me to edit it using Office Online. I also have the option of sharing this document. So if it's on the team site, it'll automatically allow me to share this with other people in the company. It will not allow you to share this with people outside of the company unless your administrator has allowed that option. But by default, there is another site that's brought up called a public site, and that is one where you can make files available to people outside of the company. So anything that I would place here would be for potentially other people. You can actually even see a sample of what the file looks like. It brings up a preview, because again, even if without Office, you can edit all those things online. That's the brief summary of OneDrive and Office 365. Thank you.